Deepika, we spoke just briefly right now about the biggest joy of being a parent. In what way? I mean, when I've been asked this question, in what way it changed me when, Yash and Ruhi were born. And the first thing it did was bring in a sense of like responsibility that I've never felt before. Like, because, two lives that you have to govern and nurture, and you're so accountable to those lives. Did you ever self-reflect about what's the big change that happened immediately after Dua was born and brought into your beautiful life?
It's interesting that you're asking me that question now, Karan, because I feel like I'm discovering that. I'm discovering this new life post. Of course, like you're saying, the minute you've had a child, you're now responsible for another human being. And especially in our industry where everything has been so, or at least in the way that I've led my life, it's not an industry thing, sorry, it's in the way that I've led my life, it's been so much about me leaving home, my ambition, my career, everything has been about my life and everything that I wanted for myself, and now suddenly you're caring for this little thing, and that is dependent on you for everything. And I mean, I've always wanted to be a mother, so I'm, enjoying every bit of that. But I think I'm now navigating what this new life for me post-motherhood is going to be. And, just sort of being responsible, like you said, for another person. Yeah. And that person comes before you. I'm navigating that. I don't think I found the answers to that yet.
Well, you should ask the parent of the decade, like literally, because I want to tell you, each and every time I look at the way he is with his 3 children, I die of all kinds of complexes, because he's present for them at every juncture, at every annual day, every sports day, every event. He's training them to run. I can't do any of those things. I'm not physically capable. But like, he's just like this model parent. Like, how do you even do it? And why do you do it? Because we die of that comparison.
So I'll tell you, I think it's a line by a writer, a lady writer called Sue Townshend, or maybe I'm wrong. But I read it somewhere when I was growing up, and maybe because, I'd lost my parents, so it has some effect, but I don't want to go in the past. It said, the decision to have a child is the decision to allow or take a piece of your heart and allow it to walk outside your body.
That's so true.
So, I think, dil ka tukda, is na, meri maa Hyderabadi thi, ama tuma dil ka tukda na. So, it's really a piece of heart walking out. मेरे पास 3 हैं, एक बड़ा हार्ट है, एक मीडियम हार्ट है, एक छोटा हार्ट है, छोटे-छोटे pieces मेरे चारों तरफ घूम रहे हैं. So I really feel, even when you asked about the lonely at the top bit, I just like to tell everyone जो यहाँ पर हैं, जो जवान हैं, जिनके बच्चे नहीं, उनको मैं एक तरकीब बताऊंगा, जो मेरी उम्र के हैं या जिनके बच्चे हैं, उनको ये तरकीब बताऊंगा. You will never be lonely if you can make your children laugh. And those who don't have children, if you can make your parents laugh, you'll never be lonely. So I think this is, और मैं इतना फनी हूँ मेरे बच्चों के लिए कि मैं उनको अगर कभी डांटता भी हूँ, या डांटता, मैंने आज तक डांटा ही नहीं बच्चों को, दीपिका को भी नहीं डांटा जब ओम शांति में बच्ची आई. So when I say something, अरे listen, you have to sleep by 10 o'clock. Mama has said this. So what do they do? Oh my God. SRK. बेटे को हाथ लगाने से पहले. So they do all this. So I am a joke in my house, but more than a joke, I think I make my children happy, my family happy, my wife happy. And if you are young, then just make your parents happy, and you will never feel lonely in your life. I think that's the trick.
But there's just some things that you do that are very tough for us to emulate, because my son came to me once and said that Shah Rukh uncle trains Abram before sports day. Why aren't you training me? I mean, can you imagine me training my son how to run on sports day? Do you think that's even physically possible? It's really quite terrifying.
I think, Karan, what you should do is, because Deepika is such a wonderful athlete, it's in her genes.
Send them to me.
नहीं. पहले करण तू ट्रेन हो जा हमारे से, उसके बाद तू जाके बच्चों को ट्रेन करना.
I don't know when this became a roast, but anyway, आपने जो भी कहा सर आंखों पर, But as you know, and this is a question I'm dying to ask really, by your own admission, you have said that you can romance even a tree. Now, everybody knows, and all of you wonderful women in the audience will agree, who can romance better than Shah Rukh Khan on screen? Chemistry is something that is always attributed to Shah Rukh Khan where it comes to his leading ladies. We all know Shah Rukh and Deepika have incredible on-screen chemistry. What really truly constitutes this word, chemistry? Like, is there something academically associated with it, or is it just in your DNA and you can't help it? Ako pyar aapse.
Only for Deepika. तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्ती. Don't interrupt while I'm trying to romance a Buckley. तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान.
What constitutes this chemistry?
I think, honestly, मैं बताऊं, I hope it's not like a cliched answer, but I have too much respect for women. It comes inherently, innately from inside me. It's not a thing that, it's not a facile thing that, कि हम respect करते हैं औरतों को. I just feel genuine love for every woman that I meet, whether she's 6 years old or she's 60 years old. I just find them gentler. I just find them kinder. I find them the ones who provide nature. I don't know how to explain it. They're connected to God, Bhagwan, Allah. I think they're all connected in some way to nature. So I feel a lot of love for women in the rightest, kindest, most sensitive way of the word. So if you have respect in your eyes and you say things to a lady, even if it's like, would you like to come out for dinner with me, or something even more than that or less than that, I think it just feels more gentle and loved. I think that's chemistry. I don't know, it's a chemical reaction. I don't think it's a chemical reaction, apart from the dopamine and stuff that I said. But I think there is just respect is chemistry. I think that's it.
And Deepika, does it feel like he is a class apart where it comes to portraying romance? Because you romance, so many other leading men on screen. What is the difference that Shah Rukh Khan brings to the romance of the movies?
Respect. I think in the way that and Karan, it's not just respect for a woman when the camera's rolling, but it's so, it's in every pore of his body. So it could be the camera's not rolling, you're sitting on the side. He's always aware about the presence of a woman and ensuring that she's comfortable, that she's well taken care of, and so it just comes very, it's not put on, it's not a switch on, switch off. That's just inherently who he is. I mean, we were backstage. That's just the way he is. I don't know him any other way. I've known him from the time I was, 16, 17, I'm 39 now. He's always been like that in any scenario. It doesn't have to be in a public forum, or not necessarily only when the cameras are rolling. And I think it just stems from love, from genuine love and respect.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is, I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत और आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamour role in South Indian movies. and you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different. No.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. You know, किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, you know, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.